Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we look at how we can access files and folders on a Windows 11 device from an Arch Linux device. So this is the Arch Linux device, and we'll be looking to access files and folders on this Windows 11 device so we can copy and paste between the two devices. So let's go ahead and look at what we need to do. So on this Arch Linux device, we need to make sure that we have SSH installed and enabled. Now I'm gonna use the console or the terminal, so you can just search for it here. Just type in console. Now to check whether you have SSH installed, we can say which sshd, and we do have it installed. So if you don't have it installed, what you can do is you can use the command sudo pacman OpenSSH, and this should install it. Another thing we need to do is we just need to make sure that these services are enabled or started. So we can use systemctl to check the status. We can say systemctl status sshd. Now in our case, you can see that it says disabled and also it's inactive. So here it means that when the machine boots up, it doesn't start the services, and also this tells us the services are not running. So let's go ahead and enable the services and also start the services. So we'll use sudo systemctl start sshd, put in our password here. Now I can run the command again, and this time you should see that the services are running, active and running, but still disabled. Now if you want the services to run when you boot the machine, we can repeat the command we just ran. This time we just change this to enable, and check the status again, and this time it says enabled. We also need the IP address on this Arch Linux device. That's what we'll input on the tool, the WinSCP tool. So we can run IP address command, IP address. Now the address you're getting here is 192.168.1.181. And finally, we need a file. We'll just need to make sure we have files that we can copy between the two devices. Documents. So I'm just gonna do touch test file. That's good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna add to the Windows 11 device, and we'll see what we need to install there. So here we just need to download and install WinSCP. So I'm gonna open a browser. Let's search for WinSCP download. So we just need to go to winscp.net. Once on the site, scroll down a little bit, you see this option to download. Click on this, and then wait for it to download. So the download is complete. You can close this. We'll go to the downloads folder. So this is what we just downloaded. This is the setup application. Double click on it. Install for all users. Yes. I'll close this. I'm gonna accept. Typical installation. Next. Install. Finish. So this is the shortcut on the desktop. So we have our shortcut here on the desktop. We can click on that to open it. So like I said earlier, you need the host name, which is the IP address, and we're using port 22 for SSH. Here there's different protocols. You can go with the secure FTP or SCP. Both of them are secure. And then here you just put the IP address for the Arch Linux device. You can also try and see if you can ping it first. Open the command prompt, ping the IP, which was 192.168.1.181. There's a typo there. So let's see if we can ping it. Ping 192.168.1.181. So we do see that we're able to ping the Arch Linux device. Now I can put that IP here, 192.168.1.181. Port 22, the user, and then the password for the user. Okay, then log in, accept. Now you see you have two panes or two windows. One is gonna show you the directories and files on one machine. So this is the Windows 11, and this is the Arch Linux. Now you can verify. We know we have a file in documents. This is the file we created. Now to move files and folders between the two, you just select the file. Okay, and then as you can see, I don't have anything on my documents on this Windows 11. If I go to documents, I don't have anything. So I'll go ahead and drag and drop this to this. So you see a pop-up that's gonna show you what's about to be transferred or copied. So you just click OK to allow it. Okay, now if I go in here, you see I have the file. So you'll do the same thing if you had a file here. You just drag and drop it to this side. Okay, so for instance, I have downloads. I have this file. So if I go to downloads, I have all these files. I can just select a file, drag and drop it, and now I have it on my Arch Linux device. I could go to the Arch Linux device, and I have the Wireshark file here. I can also use the tool to delete it. I can go back here, right click, delete, and it's gone. And I even go back here and rerun the command, the file is gone. So that's all for this video. That's how you can transfer or access files between your Arch Linux device and your Windows 11 device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.